I'm Marty Levine. Happening now, sensational claims by a reality TV star against Shawne Merriman. It's all in the lawsuit filed against the Chargers linebacker.
Now, NBC 739 News at 5.
Sensational allegations and color pictures of a bruised-up reality TV star. It is all part of a civil lawsuit filed here in San Diego Superior Court against Chargers linebacker Shawne Merriman. Gene Cubison is here now with the latest fallout from a Labor Day weekend of partying that got ugly.
Right, Susan. After prosecutors declined to file domestic violence charges against Merriman, it seemed likely that Tila Wynn, better known as Tila Tequila, would take him to civil court. Well, her lawyer's done just that, telling me he's seeking $1.5 million in damages, and the case is generating major buzz.
Well, this is real good publicity for her because obviously her issues are to get in front of the camera, get as much publicity as possible. There really can't be any bad publicity out of this from her perspective because she's trying to get her name known.
Tila Tequila's lawsuit features color photos of bruises she says Merriman inflicted on her after she confronted him about, quote, his personal drug use and manufacturing of drugs in his Poway home. Merriman was booked on suspicion of domestic violence, later claiming he was trying to restrain Tequila from driving while intoxicated. Legal analysts say there's a cost-benefit analysis to be made as to whether to challenge Tequila's claims in court or to settle the case out of court as a nuisance that might only get worse.
He's a public figure. He has a certain image that he wants to portray to the public about what he is and who he is, and so he may decide that part of the cost is to not have his dirty laundry aired.
Either way, this entertainer versus athlete case figures to be a field day for the media.
The big money here is going to be difficult to find just based on bruises. I'm not saying that she wasn't injured, but it doesn't appear that she's going to have a huge amount of medical bills. There's always a potential, I guess, in this type of case for punitive damages, but it appears from what I've seen that the big push here is for publicity and a lot of notoriety as opposed to monetary damages.
Now, Merriman's attorney declined to comment on Tequila's claims. Legal analysts tell us that Merriman could file a cross-complaint against her, alleging defamation and malicious prosecution. Now, if you want to read the lawsuit, 13 pages, it is on our website, NBCSanDiego.com. Susan.
Gene, thanks very much. Tila Tequila, her real name is Tila Wynn, is represented by a Beverly Hills attorney who's been involved in other high-profile cases. Cyrus Naunajad currently represents Girls Gone Wild founder Joe Francis. He also represented one of Anna Nicole Smith's former bodyguards who thought that he might be the father of Smith's baby girl, Danny Lynn.